Hi everybody, Alex Deploy here from Expert Forex, and I'm quite excited today because we're launching our Trend Trader EA. It is an automated day trading robot which gives you professional trading potential. So the advantage of this robot is that because it's day trading, you close all your trades at the end of each day. You don't have a huge amount of trades that follow you around. It's also much easier to understand the trading that is involved because it's day trading. It's very visual on your screens, and it is a fantastic tool that has been created. The profitability of this EA has been proven in 3 of our trading competitions, where the winners of these competitions have use the strategies that are now built into this Trend Trader. So I'm very excited about this, and the best thing we can do now is just work through the marketing page so that you can get as much information as you can about this new EA. There are also quite a number of videos on this marketing page which will add to your appreciation of this great trading tool. Okay, yeah, we are on the marketing page, and as you can see, there's quite a comprehensive menu at the top to help you go to the sections of the page that you would most likely want to visit first. But just to give you some background to this Trend Trader, it's a result of 3 competitions that we have run this year, and we've studied the techniques that the traders were using our robots in all of these competitions, and we have found that day trading has been the way that the winners have created their fantastic returns. So that is why we have now focused more on day trading EAs, and that is what the Trend Trader is. So the Trend Trader can be used in 3 ways. Firstly, it can be used for short-term swing trading, and swing trading, sometimes people look at it as years of swing trading. We're saying you have to trade the current market conditions, and therefore we use swing trading only for a month or so. Secondly, it can be used for day trading, so you can trade it from day to day, make changes to your strategies as you go along, and you'll see how attractive that option is. And then you can use some of these traders to qualify as a professional proprietary trading trader, and therefore earn money trading other people's capital. So let's have a look at the Trend Trader in a little bit more detail. And there's some comments from the beta traders that have tested it over the last couple of months. But the advantage to day trading, I find, is that you can set daily income and loss targets, and you can close all of the deals at the end of the day, so you don't have these huge number of open deals following you all the time. It's very easy to find the trend on a daily basis because you can focus on the price action as it is happening in the market right now. You don't have to average it over a month or a year or so. It exposes you to very few open deals because each deal has a target and a stop, and you also are closing these deals on a daily basis, so you're not exposed to lots of deals. And the impact of that is that you need less margin in your account, and you can even trade with a smaller account. The other thing that you'll see is that you can set trading zones. Now, the trading zones can be defined as time or as price levels, and I'll show you a bit of that, and the trading becomes a lot more understandable once you start trading these day trading techniques. So on this chart you can see an example of how the techniques work. Firstly, as I mentioned, you can set time zones where trading will take place, so no trading will take place out of these zones, and those lines over there define those zones. Then you can set price levels, upper level and a down level, and the EA will not open deals below or above those particular levels. So that helps you a lot with your day trading strategies. Now, this EA trades on price levels, and it's evenly distributed price levels. So you can see these light green lines are the price transaction price levels. So there they are. There's one, there's one, there's one, and only on those lines do transactions take place. So you can see there's an entry there, entry there, entry on that green line, entry on that green. So entries only take place on evenly spaced price levels. As I've mentioned earlier, all transactions can have their own stops and their own targets, and you can decide when you want your deals to be closed. Now, there are 3 ways normally that the deals get closed in total, and that is when you've hit your daily loss, or you've hit your daily target, or you've run out of the time zone that you've allocated for trading. So that's quite nice too from a day trading point of view. And then the moving average defines the direction of the trend. So when the moving average is pointing up, it's an uptrend, and when it's pointing down, it's a downtrend. As simple as that. Or if the price is above the moving average, it's in a buy zone. If it's below the moving average, it's in a sell zone. So it's a very simple way of finding the trend and defining the direction of trades. So as I've mentioned earlier, there's the 3 strategies that you can follow. There's the set and forget swing trading strategy, which you can trade, let's say, the same settings over a period of, let's say, a month or 6 weeks. Then you have your day trading strategies. You can trade the same settings, but if you notice things happening in the market, you can change your strategy on a day-to-day basis. And then there are the proprietary trading opportunities, and I've prepared a video at the bottom which you can have a look at, how you can use the trend trader to meet the requirements of proprietary trading. And once you become an expert at this particular type of trading, it will enable you to trade other people's money and keep 70% of that money for yourself. Further down on the marketing page, there's a discussion on robot settings. We show all the settings that are currently in the EA, and we give you some tips on how to use those settings, more from a strategy point of view than explaining exactly how they work, because that's done in the comprehensive user manual that comes with these settings. And you can go and have a look at the settings before you purchase the EA to get an idea of what is used. Then we provide monthly optimized settings, but the monthly optimized settings become less important because, as I said, this is more of a day trading type of EA where you're using your trading skills and set files that you manipulate according to the results that you are getting. And then there are some notes on getting the best from the EA. I'm not going to go through all of that. I'll give you a link to this web page in the description of the video, as well as in the commentary of the video. And then if you are new to robot trading, we've got a section here on some free courses that you can do for general trading, but also some videos that you can go and have a look at for more understanding about robot trading. And there's another section where if you only have $100 in your trading account, how you can trade EAs using only $100 in your trading account using 1 cent accounts, and there's a video that helps you with that. And then we provide world-class support. We've got an incredibly comprehensive knowledge base for the trend trader, and also we supply world-class technical support for the EA. We also provide training support. Now, one of the biggest benefits here is that you can use the trend trader to become a professional trader by using it on a day trading basis. This makes it one of our best EAs to meet the requirements of proprietary trading firms. Please watch this video that gives you a lot more information about how to use the trend trader to qualify as a professional forex trader. Okay, and here's the important bit, how to purchase the EA. Firstly, the EA comes in MT4 and MT5 versions. It also has licenses that allow you to trade it as many times as you want on as many platforms and as many accounts as you want, as long as you do not trade it on more than 2 computers. If you want to move from one computer to the next, you just simply cancel it on the one and install it on the next. So the two computers is not a permanent limitation. You can move it as you like. Upgrades are always free, and I must warn you that this EA uses hedging and also transgresses some of the FIFO restrictions placed on US traders, so it's not US broker friendly. Now, as you've seen, the emphasis on the trend trader is more on day trading, and therefore if you are a traditional set and forget trader that likes to put the EA on for 3 or 4 months, just be aware that that's not the strength of this EA. Also, if you have some trading experience and you know how to read the transactions on the charts, it will be a good advantage. Okay, so the payment options are PayPal, crypto, and you can in fact get the EAs free by making use of our broker offers. In terms of PayPal, there's a first-time buyer's price, there's a YouTube subscriber price, existing client's price, and there's also the paid premium members price, and that is a paid forum, and there's also a 48-hour launch price for the paid forum of $130. So it's the cheapest price that you can get the EA at. It still makes it worthwhile even to join the forum, because after you have paid to join the forum and you get the EA for $130, it is still the cheapest price here. Crypto, substantial discounts if you use crypto. And there are some bonuses that come with your purchase that are available on the EA Factory website. Now, our marketing page is very comprehensive because we try to put a lot of information into that page so that it becomes almost like a training page at the same time. So we give you a lot of information to absorb. Take your time, watch the videos, and then I'm very excited about this EA because it has this day trading potential that all our winners of our competitions have used to create really above trading return. So as always, links to the essential items in this video will be supplied in the description as well as in the commentary of the video. So from me, Alex Aploy, cheerio.